Looking to update that desk to an electronic self-rising desk? Well then look no further. Today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we are taking a look at a self-rising desk by Flexispot, and it's loaded down with a total package of perks, and I'm absolutely loving it. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. In today's episode, we are taking a look at a self-rising desk by Flexispot. We have all of our links and details located in the description. So for some time now, I've been wanting to look into an electric self-rising desk, and after trying this one, I quickly realized that I didn't need to look any further. The total size of this desk on the top is 23.7 inches deep and 47.3 inches wide. The top is black and they call it a chipboard black on their website, along with some different options if you'd rather have a different look and color. The legs are made out of a durable powder coated steel tubing to resist scratches and ensure stability even at the highest setting. And there are even some leveling slides on the bottom with threads to adjust the level of the desk if that is needed. And believe me, we all know no one enjoys a desk that rocks back and forth, so this is a sweet feature. With a robust motor and controls, the flexibility of height adjustment is just one touch of a button. Starting with the arrows, you will set the height that you wish to use, and you can see the exact height in inches with the LCD screen. I thought that was pretty awesome, and it's 100% accurate with my setup. The range transitions from 28.3 to 47.6 inches, so anywhere in between you can save with 4 programmable presets. Once you're ready to save, you just hold down the button that you wish to save it as, and it will beep, and then you are good to go. From there, you can go in between your presets with just one touch. There's also a very handy child lock button to keep it from being activated by unwanted or accidental touches. Not to mention, you are also loaded down with 2 USB ports and a USB-C port. This works very handy with a wireless charging pad that I have that is USB-C. Then I have 2 extra USB ports if I need to charge a different device. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's more. There is also a spacious embedded drawer that you can conveniently pull out and store items in. Turns out I use this a whole lot with charging cables, GoPro cameras, books, and, well, pretty much everything. So that one's really been a big help. Another really cool feature that I personally would like to point out is the anti-collision function. This allows the desk to detect when it is hitting something or hanging on something like cables when in movement, quickly alerting it to stop movement at once and reset to its unjammed position. Might seem like a small feature to some, but to me, I think that's a feature that can keep you from having a really bad day. I mean, who knows when a cable is hanging on something or you have something under the desk that you forgot you stored there and you lower it down on that, damaging it. Could be some serious stuff. So that being said, I think it's a nice feature to have. Overall, this desk setup is really great, and it also works really well in tight spaces, giving me the option to be more productive by standing and working around my office than just sitting, especially when it comes to music creation. When using guitars and other tools, I do prefer to stand while jamming out most of the time, so this has become a great workbench for my creative work, letting me easily get around to other tools and matching the height to other desks in my creative zone. As for my recommendations, I would highly recommend this all-in-one self-rising desk to anyone. If you would like to check out this desk, we have our links located in the description, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to let us know what your thoughts are in the comments, and to keep up with more reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.